Good morning, boys and girls. I am having a pretty good week overall on this account. This is the Take Profit Trader account I shared with you guys earlier this week that took the 11K payout from. It's now up another 12,226. Well, it's up 7,200 from the threshold amount. But total $12,000 profit in here. Trying to push it for another 10-ish K payout by the end of the week. It's now Friday here in Australia, so I'll be trading this one live inside school today for the New York session for Friday morning. And I'll see if I can push that through to 10K, calling this the school account, right? It's the Take Profit Trader funded account I've been trading mostly on stream inside school. So see if I can push that for end of the week. Won't go too crazy, right? It's already eligible for like 7,700 for the week, which... Guys, always put that in perspective. I always say, shit, man, my old 9-to-5 job used to pay me $5,000 a month pre-tax for working 40 hours a week. So $7,000 in a week from an hour or two of trading a day. Well, you know, mostly just living life otherwise. I don't think I should be complaining too much about that. So going to try push it a little bit more today. I'll risk some of the profit. It's up 2,600 today so far from today's sessions. So I'll push it a little bit more, but just risk some of today's profit to see if I can get that over the line. Otherwise, pretty happy with the week on that account. If you guys are having a struggle week, this week in particular, man, has been a little bit difficult. This has been one of those weeks where the A-plus setups haven't been playing out like they normally would. And there's going to be weeks like that. I was talking to the guys inside school and saying that, you know, when you have weeks that come like this, they're bound to come with it. Whatever strategy you trade, you're going to have frustrating weeks. All you have to do is survive. Don't over leverage, don't tilt, don't try and win everything back. If you're having a week where some things just aren't hitting, just survive. Trade small enough to survive it, because odds are next week will be absolutely fine again. Last week was a brilliant week. This week has been a little bit more difficult. Survive it so that next week we can have a good week again. All right. So survival is the number one point of the game, guys. Never risk everything on one trade, because then there's always more opportunities to come, and you want to be able to take advantage of those opportunities. Anyway, rant over. Here are some replay trades from today. Well, this is from yesterday now. Today was a group coaching session. I'll be playing you trade. I was absolutely in a flow state trading gold with volume profile on last night's session. So I'm going to share those trades with you now. Please enjoy. This is prime time volume profile trading. You don't get this anywhere else on the internet. All right. This is how you trade volume profile in the zone, reading the markets exactly how it should be done with volume profile, scalping in and out, and taking money from these freaking bastards on Wall Street. And before we get into it, quick member shout out to Muhammad inside the school group. He's got his first payout in 4 years after just trading Vol Pro for just 3 weeks, being part of the community. Muhammad's been really involved in the community, sharing his trades, getting feedback, and this is the result of someone who's dedicated to improving. So have a pause and read through that post. But congrats to Muhammad. Well done, well earned. If you guys want to also come and be part of the action, join the school group, get complete course access, all the educational material, hours of video content in here teaching you everything you need to know about volume profile trading, everything that I know, and also join the daily live trading sessions and weekly group coaching. That's all included in the membership, which I'll link pinned in the comments below. Otherwise, enjoy today's trades. Same initial short I was looking at from before. So retest the underside of the node to put in at the overnight point of control and failed off. So I'll go for stop loss just outside 55 ticks like this. 55 ticks stop, and then take profit back down to here. A little 1-to-1. Filled in on this. Let's go gold. Okay. Coming down to VWAP, I'm going to take one off here. Let's see if it can just fill the one. Yeah, oh, there we go. Whole thing done. Cool, man. Cool. All right, great trade. Exiting at VWAP. Thank you. Okay, gold coming down to now the support level down here. I'll look at the opposite side now. All right, we're coming down to the reinforced previous day value high and overnight value low. So I like that. That's a decent little spot down here. So I'll look to take the other side now if we can trade down into this spot. I'm going to enter sort of in between the two levels, like this. Gonna go for something like this and go for stop loss just outside the node. So 50 ticks. That'll be a much better ROI than copy trading me. Okay, coming down to this spot here, we got a 1, 2, 3 stack level for a long. I'm going to pull this take profit in a little bit, guys. I just seen that node there up by VWAP, so I don't want to get cucked. There we go. Nice win. Oh, yes. Easy. All right. I pulled that take profit in just to the VWAP and that node right there. I just saw that sitting across the VWAP. And my take profit was on the other side of that. So for logical level-to-level trades, want to be in and out at level to level. So that's secured. Okay. Taking the underside of this gold trade, it broke underneath. I'm going to see if I can catch a little flip side short on this. I market ordered this one. So kind of a bad fill, but I'll take it. Okay, here comes gold, round 2. Pulling into break even. Let's get that follow through. Actually, I'm going to take one off, buy one. Change that to 1. Change that to 1. And I'll see if I can be greedy with a further push out here. Took profit on 1 at the value low. I just pulled that down to the value low. Just being greedy now, just says whatever I get from this. If there's a momentous flush down, then I'm catching that, you know. I'll even just remove the buy limit and just see how far it goes if it keeps melting. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, boys and girls. Here it goes. Oh, trade of the week, I think. Shit entry, but trade of the week. Holy shit. Let's get some more of that. I'm just trailing it pretty tight, man. I don't want to like try and be a hero here. Just going for. This is all gravy on top, man. It's awesome. Just awesome. Thank you, gold. Oh my goodness. Thank you, gold. Oh yes. Beautiful, boys and girls. That was a great one. Okay, what are we sitting up now on this? Yeah, cool. 4K eligible for payout on this account now. Okay, I'm halfway there. I'm halfway there. That was good. So that was the same as the earlier long. Okay, so this is why it's important to trade level to level also, guys. That A rank long was good. It traded up into that resistance of the node plus the VWAP. You see I last minute adjusted that take profit just because it would have come close to filling me if I left it at my original, but you want to have your take profit in front of the resistance, which is in front of the nodes, in front of the VWAP, because if it is going to react, that's where it reacts from, and boom, you saw that perfect reaction to the downside, broke underneath the A-rank long setup, pull back, retest underside, I get short. I should have limit ordered, but I rushed in with a market order. I thought I'd get filled where it was, but I hit market order sell and it filled me all the way down here. Again, reason why you should use limit orders, guys. Screw market orders. For the same thing, triple stacked area short, broken retest short, and yeah, lovely, man. Lovely short. So up 1,700 on this account now. This is that same TPT that the 11K payout came from at the start of the week. So just running it back again. Don't want it to get moved to live. So gonna probably shell that out pretty quick.